cave.
What a nerd. Hey, get away. Yeah. Boo, back off.
No. It's in your hand. He's flashing at you now. Probably push those back a little bit more still.
This one.
In the cave.
I think over there side too. No, there's not many back there.
No, if you push it like back. He's just attacking your fingers.
It's really good for